Hello, this is Katie Ray with LS566 Metadata, and I'm going to be talking about a repository that uses the EAD schema, which stands for Encoded Archivable Description. EAD is used to encode finding aids, so not all repositories have finding aids, but wherever you see a finding aid, there should also be an encoded EAD document behind it, whether the collection deals with books, manuscripts, images, objects, or anything. So the one we're looking at today is just their Edgar Allan Poe collection finding aid. This is what it looks like, the version. Fit for human consumption. And then to view it as an EAD document, they just have a convenient link. So first things first is the EAD element, and then the two main sections will be EAD header and ArchDesk, which is archivable description. EAD header deals with information about the finding aid itself, and archivable description deals with information about the items in the collection. This is the 2002 version of EAD. In 2015, there are some changes, but most institutions have not updated their finding aids yet. So EAD header becomes control, but I can point those out as we go along. So EAD header, you see there's a title of the collection, the creator of the finding aid, the publisher, which is the Harry Ransom Center, and then it's extremely long, so I definitely can't go through much of it. So I'm just going to go to a clip from my PowerPoint where I've made some selections from this. So let's go to present. Oops, from current slide. Okay, here we go. So this is the key information about the finding aid: creator, title, dates, extent, abstract, language, and access. And this is what it looks like in EAD. So creator has the element origination, label equals creator. And then title is unititle. Dates is, or unit title. Dates is unit date. Extent is just extent, and that describes how many boxes there are, how many folders there are, how much linear feet. Language is lang material. And then access is access restrict, and that is just if a collection is open for research or open only to select individuals or open only under certain conditions. So that's just a brief look under the hood at EAD. There are also separate elements for container, so which container you might find an item. That pops up 627 times. But this is what it looks like. Container type equals container, which container it is. So just email me if you have any questions about this. This is just a brief look at it. You can really dig in, and it goes on forever, but that was just a simplified look under the hood at EAD. Thanks.